This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about adhesive bands, specifically these RW base adhering sleeve bands. They're a 12-inch length and they come in a variety of colors. We have midnight blue, white, green, which you can see we have in use, this great eco green, and we also have craft and black, meaning you have a lot of attractive options to add a pop of color to items, create packaging that stays on brand for your company, or customize it for an event. These adhesive bands come on sheets. They're 12 inches in length, and you can see the sheets make them easy to peel off while maintaining that adhesive surface so that they're nice and sticky when you're ready to use them. The 12-inch length is perfect for securing a lot of different sizes of takeout containers. These great bands can be used with various containers from the Pulp Tech, Cafe Vision, or Esporto collections from Restaurantware, but they're also going to be compatible with a wide variety of other takeout options. And we've got one in use here on our little Cafe Vision box, and you can see it makes a nice tamper-evident packaging solution out of any to-go containers you have because it securely keeps those lids in place and tells your customers they haven't been opened. They also provide a perfect opportunity to label things, so think writing, green chicken curry across the top so that it's an easy to identify package if you're making something like a grab-and-go section in a deli or a cafe, or even just write a cute little message to your customers. Tell them to enjoy, or what's inside is going to be super tasty or yummy. It's a nice little way to show your customers you care, add that extra special touch, and also let them know that their food hasn't been tampered with, which is fantastic. That makes these a perfect little addition to any establishment that does takeout or has a great little grab-and-go section. So think cafes, delis, restaurants, whatever the case may be. If you're looking for some great adhesive bands to help secure your takeout or grab-and-go containers, these are a really nice flexible option that comes in a wide range of colors.